Hi, I'm Sarah. Let's make something mouth-watering. Add a splash of oil to a pan and heat it over high heat. Once it's hot, add 2 whole chicken breasts, seasoned with salt and pepper. Let the chicken cook over high heat for about 3 minutes. After that, flip each chicken breast and cook the other side for another 3 minutes or so. We're not trying to fully cook the chicken just yet. We just want to sear it on the outside until golden, while keeping the inside raw for now. There'll be time to cook it through later. Once done, remove the chicken breasts from the pan and set them aside for later. In the same oil, along with the juices from the chicken, add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Stir and let the garlic cook gently over low heat for about 2 minutes. It's really important to cook the garlic gently, with care. Keep the heat low because garlic is delicate and can burn easily. After 2 minutes, once the garlic is partially cooked, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, or heavy cream if you prefer. This is what gives the sauce that creamy, silky texture that makes it irresistible. And don't worry, if you don't have either on hand, you can swap it for sour cream or even a splash of milk with cornstarch. The result? Still delicious. Stir gently and let the cream melt into the garlic. Slow and steady, this is where the magic begins. The base of a sauce so rich and fragrant, it already smells like comfort. Keep the heat low and take your time. We're not rushing greatness. Once everything's beautifully combined, just add a small pinch of salt, enough to wake up all those creamy, garlicky flavors. Toss in a small handful of chopped parsley and another of chopped cilantro. Now add a bit of lemon juice, just enough to brighten everything up. That little hit of acidity lifts the whole sauce and makes it sing. Give it a quick stir, just to bring all these fresh ingredients into the sauce. Are you team cilantro or team parsley? I honestly love both, but I know some people have strong opinions. Me? I'd rather not argue about it. I'm just here for good food, that's for sure. Now that the sauce is coming together beautifully, it's time to bring back those chicken breasts we set aside earlier. Place the chicken right into the sauce and gently spoon that creamy goodness over the top. This is where it all starts to soak in. Flavor, moisture, everything. Now cover the pan with a lid and let the chicken cook gently for about 20 minutes. Low and slow, that's the key. After 20 minutes, it's time to lift the lid and take in that amazing aroma. And that's it. Tender chicken in a creamy, herby sauce that's packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cozy dishes like this one.